been almost 20 years after a jury found Scott Peterson guilty of killing his pregnant wife, Laci. He's back in court today. And lawyers with the LA Innocence Project have taken up his case. WGN's Shannon Halligan joins us with more now. Shannon?
Yeah, the Los Angeles Innocence Project took up the case a couple of months ago. In court documents, the group suggests that Laci Peterson may have been kidnapped and killed by burglars, not her husband. The filings represent a long-shot bid to exonerate Scott Peterson.
Good morning, Mr. Peterson. Can you both see and hear the proceedings, sir?
Yes, I can. Thank you.
Scott Peterson appeared virtually for a status hearing at San Mateo County Superior Court. The 51-year-old was convicted nearly 20 years ago of killing his pregnant wife and unborn child. The LA Innocence Project took up the case to order further discovery of evidence and allow new DNA testing to support their investigation.
We were very, very specific. We spent a lot of time trying to suss out what, frankly, are very alarming deficiencies in the discovery that was provided to the defense at the time of trial.
The project points to a potential different scenario and that the Modesto Police Department was too hasty in declaring that scenario had no connection to the killings. Attorneys suggest Laci Peterson may have witnessed a Christmas Eve break-in across the street from the couple's home and that it was the burglars who kidnapped and killed her. The project is seeking DNA tests on materials connected to the burglary. That includes evidence from a burned van and a mattress possibly containing blood.
They're asking the judge to allow them to reopen the investigation, show them the documents from a burnt out van that was located less than a mile from the Peterson home that contained a mattress that they say had blood stains in it. They want that mattress retested.
Prosecutors at the time said Scott killed Laci and dumped her body in San Francisco Bay on Christmas Eve 2002. In the original trial, prosecutors presented mostly circumstantial evidence while arguing that Scott was having an affair with a Fresno massage therapist when he killed Laci. Attorneys Tuesday said the hearing was the first step in a long process.
The defense was entitled to those at the time of trial. Mr. Peterson has been waiting 20 years to find some of these police reports and audio recordings and video recordings that should have been provided.
The judge set 2 hearings for April 16th and May 29th. Peterson will attend those hearings remotely from Mule Creek State Prison, which is southeast of Sacramento. Live in the newsroom, Shannon Halligan, WGN News.
Thank you, Shannon.